Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math question with us. Which expression is equivalent to 7x cubed plus 7x minus 6x cubed minus 3x? A is given as x cubed plus 10x. B is given as negative 13x cubed plus 10x. C is equal to negative 13x cubed plus 4x. D is equal to x cubed plus 4x. So, to solve this one, we're just going to take away, so we will just distribute this in here in the parentheses. So let's go ahead and do that. 7x cubed plus 7x minus, when you multiply this, distribute this negative into parentheses. This will become negative 6x cubed and plus 3x. So let's underline the same terms. There are cubes in here and x's. So they're the like terms. We need to combine them. 7x cubed minus 6x cubed will become x cubed. And plus 7x plus, we have 7x plus 3x. That gives you 10x. So the answer is x cubed plus 10x. In this specific question, in the video, my son also wasn't part of the video. Thank you, my son, for being part of the video. So the answer is this one. So the choice D is kind of like tricky. Some of the students I have heard of that. They forget to distribute this negative, and when they multiply negative by negative 3x, it becomes positive 3x. They said that it's negative 3x, and when they did mistake, they end up with the answer choice D, but the answer is A for this specific question. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck on your exams, and have a good one. Bye.